Hello, it is Isaac from Wood Designer, and I'm just going to show how we could make a curved top like this one. So this will be for a countertop for a desk, I assume. This has been sent to me, and I'll show you how I would do this. What I would do is start by making a new cabinet and coming to an L shape or an angled cabinet, and just choosing a manufacturing method that is going to be nice and simple so you have a solid top. What I'm going to do is adjust the width to be 2390 to match the parameters on the drawing, and the depth, or the right-hand width, sorry, to be, I believe it needs to be 1400 millimeters. And then the dimensions for my left and right side just need to be the total depth of the countertop that we're making. So let's say for this example, it'll be 500 millimeters. Then I'm going to press OK, and you can see I have all of these components here. What I'm going to do is just turn off my fittings. I don't want any fittings in this cabinet. I'll turn off my edge tape as well. And the other thing I'm going to do is adjust my cabinet box full so there's no recess at the back here. So I'll just go to this one that I have set up. And then what I'm going to do is click on each of my components and turn them into nil panels, so I'm only left with the top. So all I have is the top panel now. This will be my countertop. I'm going to set this material I will use, and for my example, I'm going to say we're going to use a 38mm ash. And because I only have the top panel and the rest is an empty space, I'm going to say my overall cabinet height is 38mm, just so I can have that one panel as material there. And all I need to do now is add my curve into this central part. So after selecting my top, I'm going to go to Edit and do an angle tooling. I want to do an angle tooling off of that corner. Let me make this bigger so we can see it better. And I'll do an arc of circle, and I just need to choose the recess or the radius of my curve. And let's say it's going to be 400 millimeters like that. And then I have my countertop ready to go, just like that. So just to recap, I used a corner cabinet and I removed everything but the top panel. Now just note, if I make this out of a single piece of material like this, and it's a grain material, of course, the grain's all going to run one way. You would need to split it if you want two separate panels, or you could just use a blank material. We might be happy with that. But I hope that's helpful. Thank you for watching.